In this video we are going to calculate activities quantity. So first we will copy all the quantities or click Ctrl A, copy and go to the Excel and paste here. Calendars column we will delete, we don't need. First thing is mobilization. For the mobilization we will put unit lump sum. Mobilization of office will be lump sum. Shop drawing, these things all will be lump sum. We will put. We will start from surveying and layout marking. It will be also in lump sum. Let's fix. I will freeze the pen to see the columns. First is excavation. It will be measured in meter cube. I will insert the symbol meter cube from here, insert, close. Leveling and compaction will be in meter square. In order to calculate proper resources, you have to calculate the actual quantities to get the proper number of resources like steel fixer, carpenter, mason, painter and labor. Any other if resource required, you have to calculate each activity quantity, otherwise you cannot get the proper manpower number. So first thing is the quantity you should calculate properly. Lean concrete we will put in meter square. Steel binding for footing we will put in the kg. Installation of shutting for footing will be in meter square. Concrete pouring will be in meter cube. Steel binding for column, first is removal of shuttering will be in meter square. Steel binding for column will be in kg. Installation of shuttering and pouring concrete, we can put it in the meter square. Backfilling will be in the meter cube. Grade beam I will want to put it in lump sum. Then superstructure, steel binding for column will be in kg. Installation of shuttering for column will be in meter square. Pouring concrete for column will be in meter cube. Removal shuttering from column will be in meter square. Scaffolding for slab I want to put it in lump sum. Steel binding for slab will be in kg. Pouring concrete will be in meter cube. Scaffolding removal I want to put in lump sum. Finishing work all will be in meter square. And skirting will be linear meter or meter. Doors will be in numbers. Snag leads will be in lump sum. Demobilization and handover will be lump sum. Then we will calculate the quantities after giving unit. Mobilization lump sum yani 1, lump sum yani 1. It's all will be in lump sum. Only execution we will put the unit exactly what we are going to execute, because it is the main activities which is required the resources. Surveying and layout marking I put in lump sum because of it is very small activity. It can be finished in 1 hour or 2 hours. Excavation we will check in the BOQ what is the quantity is there. We will put from there. Let me open the BOQ. So excavation we put in the BOQ 6 meter cube. I want to put here 6 meter cube. Leveling and compaction in meter square. We will check it from the drawing how much square meter area is there. You can check in your drawing. I am putting here 12 square meter. Lean concrete we will check in the BOQ. It is mentioning grinding concrete 2.9 meter cube. So we will convert this into the meter square. Let's say 2.9 divided by 0.10. It will become 29 square meter. Steel binding for footing we will check concrete quantity for footing 14.4 meter cube. We will take from there 14.4 meter cube multiplied by 7850 density of the concrete. Then we will give the percentage 0.04. So it will become in the kg. 0.04 means 4% quantity of the total concrete weight. So 1 meter cube concrete weight will be 7.8 ton. So our steel quantity is 4521 kg. In ton you can say 4.5 ton. Installation of shuttering for footing we can put 15 meter square. You can calculate from your drawing. Concrete pouring for the footing 14.4 which is mentioned in the BOQ. Removal of shuttering we will put same as we install. Steel binding for column, same formula we can copy from here. From the steel binding for footing we can put here and paste. Then we can change the quantity for column from the BOQ 1.54. So we will put here 1.54 and enter. So you can see here column quantity is 483 kg only. Installation of shuttering and pouring concrete for column I put it in meter square, but it should be in lump sum because There is actually two activities. First is installation of shuttering and second is pouring concrete for column. I want to put it in lump sum and we can ask the site team how much time this activity is actually required and what is the resources is required for this activity. You can make another activity for pouring concrete to make the schedule in more detail. So lump sum will be 1. Backfilling we can check in the BOQ or we can calculate from the drawing. 4 meter cube backfilling mentioned in the BOQ. Grade beam lump sum. Steel binding for column for the superstructure. This is you have to calculate from your drawing. Already we put concrete for column in substructure, which was I think 1.4 meter cube. So steel binding for column, suppose you have column height 6 meter and its width and length is 0.5 by 0.5, then multiplied it from 7850, then column 6 column in the building, then multiplied it 0.04%, it will become 2826 kg. Installation of shuttering for column, I can put 25 square meter. Pouring concrete for column, I can put same as this, 6 meter height, 0.5 by 0.5 multiplied by 6 column, 9 meter cube it is coming. Removal shuttering from column, same as installation shuttering for the column, 25 square meter. Scaffolding for slab lump sum. Steel binding for slab and beam, steel binding for slab and beam in the kg. Suppose total quantity for slab and beam, you can check in the BOQ. Slab and beam, it is not mentioned, but you can calculate from your drawing. We will suppose you have slab 4 meter by 5 meter and thickness 20 centimeter, 0.2 multiplied by 7850, density of the steel multiplied by 0.05%, so it is coming 1.5 ton. Pouring concrete for slab and beam, so we'll put 4 by 5 multiplied by 0.2, it will become 4 meter cube. Scaffolding removal lump sum. Block work, we can check in the BOQ, it is mentioned 170 square meter. Plaster work, we can check in the BOQ, 6 square meter. Paint will be 6 square meters. Slab on grade, we can put 4 by 5. So slab on grade mentioning in the BOQ, here we can check grade slab mention 75 meter cube. We will put here 75 meter cube and we will change its unit from meter cube, from meter square to meter cube. Skirting, we can check in the BOQ, 12 meter, we will put here 12 meter. Doors and windows in numbers, we can say 15 doors. Snagglets will be lump sum, and over lump sum. So now your quantity is complete for each activity. Now we will calculate the resources. So see you in the next video. Thank you.